Alright, hello lovely humans. I wanted to show y'all a cool way that a transistor, specifically a bipolar NPN transistor, is used as an amplifier. So I'm using a microbit, which is hooked up to the radio signal of another microbit, and I want to trigger this DC motor. But the trick with this motor is that it needs at least 5 volts DC. And sadly, my little microbit, while it is pretty cool and fun, it can't output nearly enough power to turn this motor on. So what do? Because you don't want to connect a 9 volt directly to the microbit because you might fry it, so you can use a transistor. So basically what I have set up here is a potentiometer to adjust the flow of current so I don't fry the microbit and or the motor. And then I have the base pin of the transistor, which is triggered by a low current, low voltage signal from the microbit. And then when this base pin goes high, it allows current to flow from this 9-volt battery through the collector pin of the transistor, which with the flat side facing you is on the right side. So the current flows through the collector and out the emitter, which is the left pin, and then the current flows through the motor, turns the motor on, and then everything goes back to ground. So one of the interesting things you'll notice here, whenever you are combining battery power and another device, or any time you have two power sources, you always have to connect the grounds together. The reason is because voltage is relative. All right, so let's see it in action. Yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, woo! So you can't see the motor spinning, but it spins. You can hear it though, that's for sure. Tee-hee! Yeah, so there we go. That's how you use a transistor as, well, both an amplifier, in the sense that we are using a small power signal to control a much larger power source. And it's also acting as an electronic switch. So when this pin goes high, it turns the base pin high on the transistor, and then that allows current to flow from the collector to the emitter, and it turns my motor on. Yay! Transistors are super cool. Let me know if you have any questions about this or transistors in general. Happy making! Woohoo!